Hello guys, this is my third Halloween look and this is going to be Jigsaw. I don't know if you guys watched the newest one. I did, and it's very gory, but it's also very good. For some reason, I kind of like him. He just hurts bad people and they deserve it. So I am here to recreate Jigsaw. It's a very popular look for Halloween, to be honest. I see quite a few people do Jigsaw every year. I feel like this year might be a little bit more because of the movie, but I'm here to recreate the look. Obviously, I'm going to be adding my own little twist to it, like always. But I'm here to show you guys props and stuff that you can use for this look. To be honest with you guys, it is very simple. You can actually find this stuff if you have them in your closet. You don't need to go ahead and spend hundreds of dollars on a Jigsaw costume, to be honest. Grab yourself a black blazer, a white blouse, and you can get yourself like a red bow tie. And that would be it, to be honest. So the ones that I have, I know originally he doesn't have blood on his white blouse, but mine does, and I feel like this is kind of like my little twist to it. So this is the blazer that I have. This is a blazer you guys have seen me wear in a couple of my Halloween looks, and what I bought this year just to kind of go with the look is this red bow tie. Again, I will leave it in the description box down below on Amazon that you can find it. It's actually really pretty and the quality of this is insane. So yeah, it's a really nice bow tie. It's pretty big and I feel like it's gonna go with this look very nicely. So yeah, so this is what I'm going to be wearing, and I'm just gonna throw on a black blazer. And then for contact lenses, I have two kinds. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go with, but most probably I think I'm gonna go with the bow eye one. I also have my IBB that also sent me some of their amazing contact lenses. I will leave these information in the description box down below. I'm excited for this look. I can't wait. Also, you can pull out so many inspirations from Pinterest if you want to recreate a Jigsaw look. There's so much on Pinterest that you can pull up. Let's head on to the tutorial and I hope you guys enjoy it.